Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. If you like what you see when you subscribe, you can turn on your notification bell so you never miss any uploads. We're diving right in. Today is the very first day of spring. Happy spring. Welcome to spring. Do you love spring? Do you hate spring? Do you live in a climate where you're still cold or hot? Here in North Carolina, y'all, it goes from 85 to 40. Anybody else? I'm so excited that today is not only the first day of spring, it's also my stepdad's birthday. Happy birthday to him. But this is our monthly collab. Every month I pick a theme, or we collectively pick a theme, and all channels of all sizes are welcome to join in on the collab. And of course, this month's theme was Welcome to Spring. All the beauties are going to, of course, be linked down below. And I also have a public playlist where I add all of our videos so that you can go and binge watch. And y'all know what I say. If you go watch and you're feeling a vibe, you feel a connection with that creator, you can relate to that creator, subscribe. It is free for you. Free. And it will mean the world to us. If you are coming from one of my fellow creators' channels, hey beautiful, welcome to my beauty family. Of course, I am sans makeup, and full transparency, my eyes are puffy because I just woke up. So yeah, literally nothing on right now. I want to do my eyes first. Not exactly 100% sure what I'm going to do. This is the Ladybug Glow Murky Waters palette. And it is a cute little kind of more grungy palette. I can't really hold it up for you guys. I'm really sorry about that, but this shade came broken. But as you can see, it's more of like a deeper kind of grungy green. So I think I'm going to play with those today. And we'll just see what happens. But you guys know that I love cute little indie brands. There's no affiliation, no code, no nothing. I'm just trying out the palette that I purchased myself. I am going to go in and I'm going to prep my lids with my Glamlight Icing Eye Base, of course, as usual. And then we're going to dive in.